Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I unbox the Wltoys 144001 and take it out for a test drive. So in the box, we have this package. I don't know what it does yet. We have the controller and we have the car. This is a 1/14 scale, and I want to get a good look inside of here. So this is the inside of the car. Right here we have the brushed 550 motor. We have the ESC right here of a heat sink. We got some oil-filled shocks so it absorbs, it doesn't bounce. It's four-wheel drive. It's got this nice spoiler, and I think this is going to make it so the car will not wheelie at all. Let's go take this car outside. After I recorded this, I met up with my friend to do some challenges. His RC car is $400, but this RC car is only around $80, and we're going to see if they can evenly match up and compare. As you can tell, the Traxxas Wrestler obviously has more handling and controllability than the Wltoys, but they're both about the same speed. Let's do some hill climb challenges now. The Wrestler definitely outclasses this little buggy, but this buggy is much more cheaper, and it still stood a chance against the Wrestler. Let's do a little recap now. First things first, this buggy is very cheap and good for its price. It goes about 32 miles an hour and about 55 kilometers an hour, which is pretty good for its price. It does not have very good handling, and I think that's due to the bad tires. This car's motor makes it a little uncontrollable, so if you're doing a brushless upgrade, I'd recommend getting new tires and steering first. Also, you should get a new spoiler. You may have to drill holes in it, but it's worth it. The spoiler on this is very flimsy. But when you know that an $80 RC car can compete up against a $400 one, you know it's definitely worth it. You should definitely buy this, although you may have to do some upgrades on it to make it good. For example, it's not waterproof and the handling's bad. I would give this car a 4 out of 5 stars because of all of that. Thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.